Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are here for learning science and I am your science teacher Mubassir Ramesh from Mahati School and we learn about plant today. We start our new lesson number 4, plant as a food, and today's topic is vegetables. We learn in this lesson about vegetables, fruits and many other parts of the plant. Today we learn about vegetables we eat, which is the part of the plant root. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that don't believe the people who tell you that you can't. Believe your dream. Believe that it can be your future. So don't listen the people who demotivate you. Believe in your dreams and believe in your goal. So we start our lecture with this line, that don't believe the people who tell you that you can't. Believe your dream. Believe that it can be your future. Now let's see the pictures here. The first is tomato, sugarcane, what are they? You can see here tomato, sugarcane, coriander, brinjal, cabbage, spinach, apple, and they all are food we eat. So you can see here these all are food which we eat. So we learn about that food in this lesson, that which food we eat in everyday life. So we learn about different types of food which we get from plant. So let's start our journey of vegetable. See, now what we learn today? We learn today that food we get from plant, that all food which we eat for our health, for our good grow, among them which are we get from plant. We learn today that food we get from plant, and we also learn about root vegetables which we get from plants. So let's start about food. Before we start our lesson number 4, first we need to revise lesson number 3, because in this lesson number 4, plant as a food, we learn about food we get from plant. And in lesson number 3, we learn that plant has many parts. So all parts of the plant we eat in different way. So let's see that lesson number 3, how helpful in lesson number 4. So let's revise. Now you can see here parts of the plant. First we revise it. Parts of the plant. Roots. How many parts of the plant? There are 5 parts of the plant. Roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. So it is our lesson number 3, the world of plant. In this lesson we learn about parts of the plant and types of the plant. So from lesson number 3 we use that parts of the plant as a vegetable in our life. So we learn that which root vegetable we eat, which stems we eat, which leaf we eat, which flower we eat, and which fruit we eat. So all these things we learn in lesson number 4. So let's see that we grow a lemon plant. So for growing lemon part, you need to plug the land. Then we add seeds. Then we cover it. Then what we do for growing plant? We watering the plant, and sunlight help to grow plant. When flower grow, it turns into the fruit. So let's start growing our plant of lemon. So you can see here seed start growing. Then root start and leaf also growing on the land. Slowly plant start growing. You can see the root of the plant. Then a small plant start growing. Remember that it is a plant of lemon and we have to watering it because plant take air from atmosphere and sunlight from sun. We have to watering the plant every day. Then flowers start growing and flowers changes into the fruit. So you can see here lemon which we grow. So flower of lemon changes into the fruit and the fruit is lemon. You can see here the flower of lemon. We use lemon also and we use the flower of lemon also in food. So let's see the parts of the plant. Arrow show us that it is the root of the plant. Then green part of the plant, leaf. And stem which take water and food from root, and lemon which is the fruit of the plant, and you can see the flower of the plant. So these all are 5 parts of the plant. All of the part of the plant we eat as a vegetable or as a fruit or as a spices in our food. So whole plant helpful in our food. Now let's see what we eat in food. Every day we eat 3 times in one day. Morning when we wake up and take a breakfast, then we eat food at afternoon, we called it lunch, and at evening we take a dinner. So every day 3 times we eat food regularly. So some people take a evening tea also and snack also, but most of the people eat 3 times in one day. So what we eat in food? We eat eggs, carrots, vegetable, and many vegetables we eat. Onion, coriander we use for garnish dishes, food, and many things. We also make a sauce of coriander. So we make a green sauce from coriander, so we use this food in it. Potato. Most of the house we use potato every day. In our house, most of the vegetable we eat, we use potato in it. So it is a most popular vegetable in our house. Brinjal, spinach. It is a very healthy food. So all this food you can see here we eat in daily life. Then corn, we eat popcorn as a snack. We also use corn in meal. We use corn in breakfast as a cornflakes with milk. Then milk, we drink milk every morning also, at night also. This all food we take in our meal. Chicken, you can see here meat. Meat is also one of the healthy food. Then fish, it is a fried fish. We eat in meal. Then tomato, we use as a sauce, and we also add in our salads. These all are healthy food. Then bread, we use bread in sandwiches with vegetables also, with jam also, then cheese sandwich. All these things we use in our food. Then chapatis. Tea, we drink tea in morning, in evening. So this tea is also part of our meal. Rice, we eat rice in afternoon, and then evening we also use rice. And coffee. Coffee is also one of the popular drink in house. So these all are food we eat daily life. So when you wake up, you eat breakfast, you take egg and bread and tea and all these things in morning. When you eat in afternoon, you use rice and meat, salads and all these things in afternoon. Then we take a dinner, and same as afternoon we eat proper food at dinner. So in this lecture we learn that which food we get from plant. So let's see what we eat from plant. So we eat all parts of the plant: roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. These are 5 parts of the plant. We eat all parts of the plant, but from different plants. We learn in this lesson number 4 that which vegetable is a root, which vegetable is a leaf of the plant, which vegetable is a fruit of the plant. So we learn that plant give us fruits. We eat all fruits like apple, banana, mango and sugarcane and many other fruits which we get from plant. So the flower that changes into the fruit, we all know that part of the plant flower is changes into the fruits. Then we get vegetables from plant. We learn in lesson number 3 that vegetables are also part of the plant some we called fruit, some are stem, some are leaf, some are roots of the plant. So all over the world vegetables are we get from plants. So when we eat food from plant, we called it veg food or vegetable food, because this food we get from plant. Then cereals. We learn in our next lecture about cereals and pulses we eat in food. The rice is a cereal of the plant, and how it is we learn in our next lecture. Then we get pulses also from the plant. Fruits. Tea. How tea we get from plant we learn in next lecture. So tea also we get from plant. And coffee. Coffee beans are also part of the plant. That's why coffee beans we get from the plant. Now the things we get from plant, you can see here fruits. We all know that fruits which we eat we get from the plant. We learn in lesson number 3 also that fruits are also part of the plant. So all food are not we get from plant, some we get from animals also, but here we learn about food from plant. So banana, apple, grapes, tomato, all these things are fruit of the plant. You can see in this picture that here is a tomato is there, brinjal is there, and capsicum, chili is there. Why they all are in there? It is a picture of fruit. So we learn in lesson number 3 that some vegetables are also fruit of the plant. That's why these vegetables are in this picture. So brinjal, tomato, chili, capsicum, all these are fruit of the plant. So we get fruits from plant. Then vegetables. You can see here different types of vegetable. There is a broccoli, carrot, spinach, capsicum we use as vegetable, that's why capsicum is here. Then pumpkin, we learn in lesson number 3 pumpkin is a creeper. Then tomato is also fruit of the plant but we use as a vegetable. Onion and cucumber. So these all are vegetables which we eat. So the food which we get from plant we called it veg food. So fruits and vegetables are veg food we get from plant. Cereal and pulses are also we get from plant. We also eat potato, then brinjal and many other vegetables. Beans also part of the plant. Then lemon is also we use as vegetable. Radish, beetroot and many other vegetable we use in our daily food. So fruits and vegetables we get from plant. Now let's learn among these vegetables like potato, brinjal, tomato, chili and many other like cucumber, all of these which are root vegetables. So today we learn about root vegetables, root of the plant we eat. Now think where root grow. As we learn in lesson number 3, where root grow, we need to remember that where root grow. First, when we grow plants start growing from seed, and first part of the plant which start growing is root. But where root grow? Underground part of the plant which we eat as a vegetable. So when we grow plant, we can see stem of the plant, we can see leaf of the plant, we can see fruit of the plant, but we cannot see root of the plant. Why? Because it is a underground part of the plant. That's why the vegetables which we eat, and which is the part of the plant root, so they grow underground in land. So let's see some vegetable which grow underground, and it is a root of the plant. Where root vegetables grow? Like the vegetable which is a root of the plant, we called it root. So that roots we take out from land and we eat. So here you can see a vegetable. Which vegetable is this? Carrot. Yes, orange color vegetable, carrot. We make a sweet dish from it, and we use in diet food also. It gives us a very useful and healthy vitamins, and it's help to make our eyes healthy. So it is a carrot. Now let's see where carrot grow. Now you can see here the plant of carrot, and the leaf of the plant is on the land. When the carrots are grow underground, you can see the roots of this plant is merged with carrot. So carrot is the root of the plant which we eat as a vegetable. You can see that carrot is underground in this picture. We can see it in this picture, but in real life, if you see the plant of carrot, and if carrot is underground, we don't take it, then you cannot see the carrot because it is the underground part of the plant. See here root of the plant which is a carrot. So we eat carrot, a vegetable, is a root of the plant we use in diet food. This is a carrot. So now you can understand that root of the plant which we use as vegetable. Now which vegetable is it? It is a beetroot. You can see here beetroot. It is one of the vegetable which make blood in our body. So if you add this vegetable in your daily lunch, you become very healthy, because beetroot is make a good blood in our body. Let's see how beetroot grow. Now you can see here that it is a real plant of beetroot. The up part of the plant, you can see the stem of the plant and leaf of the plant. When the root of the plant, which is a beetroot we eat, it is in land. You can see that half beetroot is up and half beetroot we cannot see. Why? Because it is an underground part of the plant. So it is a root of the plant, so we cannot see it. When you start take out the beetroot, you can see that half is underground and half is up. We plug the land and take out the roots. So it is a root of the plant. You can see here now, as a carrot plant, beetroot is also underground part of the plant. And leaf of root is growing on ground. So basically we learn that we eat vegetable like beetroot and carrot is the root of the plant. It's vegetable, beetroot and carrot, but it is a root of the plant. And stem and leaf are growing on the ground, and root is growing there. And onion, we use onion in our meal also, in salad also. We also make a sauce of onion. When you cut onion, your eyes become teary. So onion is also root of the plant. We use in salad also. When we eat non-veg food, we add in salad onion. And in veg food also we eat onion as a salad. You can see here the plant of onion, which are growing. When you take out these, then cut it, it is an onion which we get at home. Let's see green onion. You can see this green onion. We use this green onion in making noodles also, and making Chinese food also, and we use it in brinjal. With brinjal we use it in winter. So it is an onion which is a root of the plant. You can see here roots are joined with onion, which we take it from land. So it is an onion we use in our food. Then garlic. When you make a tasty food, you have to add ginger garlic paste. So garlic is a most important thing in our food, because we get taste from garlic paste. So that garlic is also root of the plant. You can see one picture a whole garlic, and in second picture the peeled garlic. We take out the peels of the garlic and we use in our food. Then it is a plant of the garlic. You cannot see garlic in this because garlic is underground part of the plant. And we also use green garlic in winter, and in regular days we use dry garlic. You can see here when we take out the plant of garlic how it's look. These all are roots of the plant which we eat as vegetable. Which are they? Carrot, onion, garlic and beetroot, and many other vegetables we eat which is the root of the plant, like turnip is also one of the roots. So in regular days we use this vegetable which is a root of the plant. And you can see here garlic, beetroot, onion, carrot and many others are root of the plant, and we all know that they all are growing under the ground. That's why we called it root of the plants. Now, what we learn today? We learn about food we get from plant, root vegetables. Where root vegetables grow? It is grow underground because it is a root, and we see the example of root vegetables. So let's revise what we learned today. We learned that what we eat in food in daily life. So we eat eggs, carrot, and many other food which we use in daily life in eating. So these all are food we eat. You can see here milk, meat, fish, corn, tomatoes, and bread. And these all are we use in daily life. Rice, learn that where root vegetables grow. Carrot is a root vegetable. Then beetroot is also root vegetable. Onion, garlic, these all are part of the plant or root which we eat as vegetable. So these all are part of the plant we eat. So I hope you all learn that food we get from plant and root of the plant which we eat as